In today's fast-paced business world, standing still is falling behind. If you're a small business owner, you already know this. But how do you grow without gambling at all? The answer is speculative activity. And in this video, we'll show you how to use it strategically. Speculative activity means taking a calculated risk investing in something that might pay off big but has no guaranteed outcome. You've seen it in action. A cafe introducing a new seasonal drink. A clothing brand testing a TikTok campaign. A local gym is launching online classes. These aren't random guesses, they're educated risks. And they're how smart businesses grow. But how do you do it? And how do you avoid turning speculation into disaster? That's what we'll break down today. Let's define it clearly. A speculative activity is any business move that involves uncertainty. You invest time, money, or effort into something that hasn't been tested yet. The goal? High reward. The risk? Potential loss. Here are some examples. 1. Launching a brand new product. 2. Expanding into a new market. 3. Ordering large quantities of seasonal inventory. 4. Running ads on a new platform. 5. Investing in technology or software before the return is clear. The key word is potential. You're betting on future success, and with smart planning, that bet can pay off. Small businesses face intense competition. Resources are limited. So, how do you stand out? Speculative activity allows small businesses to innovate faster, respond to trends quickly, reach new customers, test ideas with minimal investment. The risk may seem scary, but not taking any risk is often the biggest risk of all. Now, let's talk strategy. Not every idea is worth betting on. Here's how to identify speculative activities that are smart for your business. 1. Study the market. Use Google Trends, keyword tools, and social media to find what's trending. 2. Listen to customers. What are people asking for? What are their pain points? 3. Analyze competitors. What are others doing well or failing at? Can you fill a gap? 4. Check internal readiness. Do you have the resources to test something new without hurting your core operations? Choose one opportunity that fits your brand, your values, and your audience. Then prepare to test it. Before you go all in, test. Here's how to start small and reduce risk. 1. Pilot launch. Release the product or service to a small group or for a limited time. 2. Minimum viable product. Focus on a simple version to validate demand. 3. Set clear metrics. Define what success looks like. Is it 100 sales? 200 signups? 20% engagement? 4. Time box the test. Give it 2 to 4 weeks to evaluate results. This phase is crucial. It gives you real data, not just guesses. And that data tells you whether to scale up or shut it down. Speculation without control is just gambling. To manage speculative activity wisely, follow these principles. 1. Create a risk budget. Separate it from daily expenses. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. 2. Monitor closely. Use tools like Google Analytics, CRM dashboards, or social media insights. 3. Pivot or exit quickly. Don't cling to a failing idea. Move fast. Learn faster. 4. Review and reflect. After every test, document the results. What worked? What didn't? Why? Even a failed speculative activity is a success if it teaches you something valuable. Here are some real-life examples of small businesses using speculative activity to grow. A bakery launched gluten-free products after customer feedback. They tested 3 items, and one became a bestseller. A local bookstore tested paid Facebook ads for an author event. Low turnout but high online sales afterward. They shifted focus to e-commerce. A personal trainer offered virtual Zoom sessions. It started slowing but turned into a scalable, global side of their business. These wins and lessons only happen because someone took a chance. With strategy, speculative activity isn't reckless. It's a tool. It's how small businesses grow, adapt, and lead the way in their space. The key is balance. Research before acting. Start small and test. Track everything. Learn and adapt. Speculative activities can be powerful catalysts for small business growth when approached thoughtfully. The key lies in balancing innovation with caution, testing ideas on a small scale, managing risk through smart planning, and learning from every outcome. By following a structured approach, small business owners can turn uncertainty into opportunity and drive long-term success. Want to grow your business? Take the right risk at the right time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment below. What speculative idea are you thinking about for your business? See you in the next one.